How to set the actuation point and rapid trigger without G-Hub. Enter the base profile configuration by pressing Function plus F5. The backlight will turn cyan to indicate you've entered the configuration. For actuation point configuration, press Function plus F6. You can see the default distance highlighted in blue. Use the arrow keys, up, down, or left, right, to increase or decrease the distance. To save the settings, press Function plus F6 again. To exit the mode, press the Escape key. For Rapid Trigger, press Function plus F7. You can see the default distance highlighted in pink. Use the arrow keys, up, down, or left, right, to increase or decrease the distance. To check your settings in this mode, press any other key and you can see changes in color indicating actuation point and rapid trigger. This is indicated by blue and pink respectively. To save the settings, press Function plus F7 again. To exit the mode, press Escape. I hope that answers any questions you had about using the features of the Pro X TKL Rapid. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.